Hi kids, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. So today we are going to learn about indoor games. Indoor games means the games that we play indoors. So the first one is badminton. Carom board. Chess. Billiards. Bingo. Building blocks. The dart game. Dartboard and the darts. Dominoes. And this is Ludo. Table tennis. Monopoly. And Jenga blocks. So kids, these are the indoor games, and there are many other board games also which we can play indoor. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.